I'm Leah.
Hi everyone, I'm Jarvi.
Welcome to LOPO TV.
So Leah, how do you feel today?
Great. I think I did get myself refreshed from the past weekends, and as I know today is very important.
Yeah, we're so honored to assign to do the officially introduction video for our star machine, GS105HS.
Yes, GS105HS is our newest model based on the GS105S. So today we'll have to talk about two parts of this machine. And first part, we're going to talk about the updated parts and function of the GS105HS.
Yes, we will bring you back to GS101 and then we will introduce more detail of how it be updated from GS101 to GS105HS.
Okay, let us get started to talk about the updated function of the GS105HS.
There are two parts to be updated. The first one is our pressure adjustable knob. The other one is the ram spin system.
Yes, the new knob will help customers more easier and smoother to adjust the pressure.
The new ram spin system is our pattern tag, which can allow the users to be easy to switch from the manual to auto open type.
Yeah, and I think we are the first company who had developed the ram spin system. The reason for the system we developed is that we want to provide more function and benefits to users.
Wow, that sounds great. So let's show more details.
Okay, firstly, it is very easy to switch the two models, and we have been tested the durability for more than 10,000 times. So it is very easy to operate and stable.
Secondly, the pressure on manual type would be higher than the pressure in auto open type. In this case, it can do any type of transfer when needing high pressure, such as a laser transfer paper and a dye-up linen fabric.
In a world with the ram spin system added, our GS105HS can be meant to print all assembly blanks and transfer. One for all is what our GS105HS means to be.
That sounds perfect. One for all might be the user's favorite function. Hope you guys will know better about the new parts and the new function, and our GS105HS will bring to you.
Nothing could be perfect as the first beginning, but if you want to do things better and better, then there's a way leads you to be. As for our GS105HS, we have been taken about 8 years to let us to be here. So next we'll introduce our history of the GS105HS.
Well, this is the first drawing of the design for our Galaxy Press.
And this is our first sample machine of GS101. As you can see, it was made exactly as the design, just a normal manual type.
And we show our first sample machine GS101 in Vesper in 2013, and almost customer prefer the auto open one.
Then we get the auto open one ready in 2014, which is GS102.
Due to the clamshell design is not like swing design that can swing the heat platen away when you put the garments or blanks printing, so we just added a slider to slide out the low platen to protect users away from the heating in 2015, which is our GS102S.
With the slider function and the hook design at the bottom can make it more easier to users, can not only help you to far away from heating, but also help to lay out the assembly blanks more easier, especially for t-shirts.
Most of our customers may know LOPO as a trading company to deal in different types of sublimation blanks, so the blanks are still very important for us.
Talking about sublimation blanks, there are lots of different types with different materials which need different parameters to print.
Sure, as we all know that there are three main parameters which can affect the printing result, which is the time, the temperature, and pressure.
Right? As for time and temperature, we can set them easily on the control panel, but for pressure, we usually guide customers to adjust with small, medium, or high pressure. But different people may have different ways to judge small, medium, or high. So we were really tortured about cannot offer customers a standard setting of pressure.
That's true. In order to solve this problem, we just took more than 2 years of developing, testing, and finally we get a pressure sensor in 2016. So our brand new GS103S was launched.
With the pressure sensor, we just guide customers in this way. Like MDF, please use pressure at 3 to 5, 118 degrees at 60 seconds. For linen fabric products, please use pressure at 9, temperature for 215 degrees at 45 seconds. The pressure sensor really gets customers easier to understand and also get us trouble-free.
Meantime, as our Galaxy Press is sold through dealers, in order to let all the dealers can be easier and cost less to do the after-sales service, we made a whole control box to be interchangeable. This function was really appreciated by all of dealers.
Based on the latter pressure sensor, we keep thinking what else we can do to let the machine can be more user-friendly and profitable. Here we go. In 2018, we got our pattern RAM block system ready. With this system, users can very easy to switch with different sizes and shapes of lower platen for different ways of using, like legs, sleeves, logo printing for garments or t-shirt printer, and unique blanks of printing for desktop fans.
That was the first version of GS105S, which is the most popular models among our Galaxy Press family. As we know that 2020 is our unusual year and maybe full memories, it also made us more clear about market position. So the most user-friendly and the profitable is what we position for our Galaxy Press.
Most user-friendly and profitable. Yes, we never stop. So in 2021, we get our brand new Galaxy machine GS105HS with our pattern RAM spin system, the new pressure adjustable knob to make it more friendly and can let all the users have fun and enjoy when using while get profit.
Well, that's the way for our GS105HS, how it comes from the initial design until today.
Tomorrow will be another day with the spirit of our Galaxy family. Love what you do, focus on what you are doing, and try your best. We will be better and better.
I'm Jari.
I'm Leah.
Well, LOPO.
Join us.
Let's make life memorable.
Thank you for watching. Bye.